Maharishi, this question from a news producer in Atlanta. What is the definition of peace, and how does individual peace relate to the peace of the world?
It's very easy to relate the individual to peace because basically the nature of individual is peace. The self of the individual, the Atma of every individual, the essential consciousness of the individual has a nature in bliss. Bliss is the nature of the self of everyone, and therefore one has a right to live his peace. This is the peace of the individual. Peace in the world would mean the association of individuals with their own consciousness. A few individuals, and that we are going to create groups of individuals here, there, and everywhere. We have the program of creating 3,000 peace palaces in the world. We call it a palace, a residence of peace. Palace is the residence of the ruler. We want peace to rule the world. So we establish 3,000 capitals of world peace, where peacemakers will be living, and through their program, through their Vedic programs, these peacemakers will maintain peace in their group, and from the group, peace will radiate. Peace is the essential nature of life. So not much has to be done. Only the contact of the mind with the inner regions of consciousness will keep the mind in peace, like that. So peace is a quality of life which goes with satisfaction. It doesn't go with the stress. A stressed body, a stressed mind will not be a peaceful mind. A relaxed body, a relaxed mind, that would mean a fulfilled mind, a problem-free mind will be a peaceful mind. As Dr. Hagelin has indicated in the introduction today, that the basic difficulty is that every government is governed by the man-made constitutions, and man-made constitutions are not perfect. God-made constitution, natural law, which governs the universe. Natural law governs the universe. Infinite diversity of the universe is governed by perfect order. And this perfect order is maintaining peace in the whole galactic universe. So knowledgeable people have the program for peace on earth. We are going to create a complementary government imitating the government of natural law, which governs the universe with perfect order. And always, short-range policy, long-range policy, the administration of natural law is short-range and long-range, a perfect administration. So why not, when we have the knowledge, Veda is that ancient knowledge of natural law which can create a very perfect, harmonious, peaceful, fulfilled life free from problems. So let's join hands in raising groups everywhere, and these groups will be automatically radiating peace, and then conflicts will be lacking in society, in human society. Problems will not be there in any nation. We can create a very ideal world for all our people on earth. Our whole world family will live in peace and always peace. Because these peace palaces will house those peacemakers which will maintain peace in the area, and like that, 3,000 would be completely enough in the world, with one big nucleus in India of those Vedic Pandits whose tradition is the tradition of activity, daily activity according to the Veda. Veda means knowledge. Knowledge, total knowledge of natural law. So a big group in India and groups all over the world, this will create peace, and in the absence of problems and stress and strain, each government will have a peaceful time, a problem-free time. Negativity will not sprout in that. Just like the darkness doesn't overtake in the presence of light, So we have a chance. And not all the people in the world have to do it, just some. So we are trying to bring that day for the world as fast, as near us as possible, where everything will be cordial, harmonious, elevating to everyone, help thy neighbor, and all these beautiful concepts of religious life and ideal social life will all be spontaneously practiced. So it's a good news for the world that there is a group, our group in different parts of the world, they are solely devoted to creating peace on earth, and the day will not be far when the success will be registering a permanent peace on earth. Conflicts will not be there and all those negative things. After all, punishing is very painful to life, and wherever there is pain to life, there is not harmony. And the nature of life being bliss, it doesn't behove anyone to punish anyone or to beat anyone or to destroy anyone. No, it's all in ignorance.